show the train?
Yes, I did.
I meant the name on the side.
Oh no. It is the Lawson Express. Jim did such a good job with this.
Well, you did too. We decorated it. It wasn't festive at all, but
No,
took
we
it
made it
apart
cool.
in Texas, and we decorated it, make it Christmas themed.
All right, turn on.
Oh.
See it go. You just get that squeaky wheel.
Yeah, I get some whipping grease.
Rooney likes it too, huh, Rooney? Hey, don't step on me. Rooney. Good girl.
Keep going.
No, that's fine. Wait, turn on.
Oh, that's mean.
Do it again.
But I'll do it again.
That's awesome. He's like, Daddy, make it stop.
Can you turn it off?
Okay, fine.